In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off double click to install for apps on your iPhone. So yeah, let's get started right away. So yeah, we want to open up our settings app, and we basically want to scroll a bit down till you see accessibility. We want to click on that, scroll a bit down once again till you see side button right here in the middle. Just click on that, and you basically want to have use passcode for payments selected, and just enable it, and you have to enter your passcode right here. And yeah, once you've done that, you want to click, or you want to enable it once again, and now it is enabled. So yeah, this is how you turn off double click to install for apps on your iPhone. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.